How you doing, sir? Good.
Where's your mask?
Don't have one.
Why not?
I don't wear one for health reasons.
This guy doesn't have a mask.
I don't wear one for health reasons.
What's your health?
You cannot ask for proof of exemption.
Public health, and they'll deal with you.
Okay.
Yeah, send it on public health.
Send on public health. They'll deal with it. Are you vaccinated?
You can ask for that.
Well, we're asking for that.
It's private medical
Okay, you're going to
information.
public health. Send in public health. We'll deal with it.
Well, thanks for being so nice.
Yeah, no problem, man. For a job to be nice.
If you're saying I'm not going to provide any of those things, then there's a required quarantine and there's a requirement to do a rapid test.
Yeah, so required quarantine is another violation of my rights. I could read that to you. So, under Canadian Bill of Rights, Section 1A, it states I have the right for life, liberty, and security, which includes informed consent and the right to privacy. So, by you asking me to provide my medical information that has been between me and my doctor, that is
So once again, by choosing not to disclose that,
right.
you have the right to, but then you're not exempt from any quarantine requirements. Right? Under the orders in council that are currently in place, we are under emergency orders, okay?
So Ontario's not under emergency order since June, and there's no emergency order in under the federal law. That was removed in June.
Okay. So right now we are acting under emergency orders.
Without having
we
an
wouldn't be here if that wasn't the case.
I don't want to do a RIFE-CAN because I don't consent to providing my private medical information, and I don't want to do the testing because that's a violation of the Quarantine Act 14.1.
But now that you're in Canada, you're like, I
Well,
don't care about
you see in Ukraine, the negative test actually does something. If you get a negative test, you no longer have to quarantine.
Yeah.
And you get to live your life. But here I do a negative test, I still have to quarantine. Then I do another negative test, I still have to quarantine. So that is why I'm refusing it.
That's why.
And also, I just do not consent to having another test. I've gone through 3 tests. I have a negative test from yesterday, and I don't think it's the right thing to do. I know that that's the entry requirements, but I also know my rights, and I'm just defending my rights here. It's under a simple principle of, I'm a healthy individual, got the negative test, and 0 symptoms. I feel well. And all I want to do is go to work hard, and achieve my dreams, and make the world a better place.
And then you get to go, okay?
All done?
Yeah, all done.
Excellent.